What's going on, everybody? My name is Nico. I am a personal trainer. One of my specialties is helping people lose body fat sustainably. I'm going to share with you today the 3 biggest mistakes that I see that people are making when they come in and train with me. Number 1 is extreme calorie restriction. This is a terrible idea because yes, you lose weight very quickly, but most of that weight is actually glycogen and water, and you'll actually end up losing a lot of muscle. Not only are you gonna lose all of that stuff instead of body fat, but you'll actually have a lot lower energy, which means 1, you're gonna be less motivated to keep losing body fat. You're gonna feel terrible throughout the day. And it's also just impossible to stick to. You need to make your diet sustainable. What that means is that you create plans that you like, plans that include foods that actually taste good and that are easy to stick to. Give yourself a cheat meal every now and then, just so you don't burn out. Maybe every other week you go out with your friends, you eat something tasty, and it really refreshes that drive to stay on track with your diet. If your main goal is to lose weight, keep your calories at a point where you are in a slight deficit, you're hungry in between meals, but you're not starving, and you have plenty of energy. The second mistake that I see people making is trying to do too much cardio immediately. Again, they want to just lose weight as quick as possible and get their results as quick as possible. What happens is people end up burning out or injuring themselves when they try to go too hard on the cardio. How you doing? Oh, it's okay. Go ahead, do your thing. So don't go crazy on the cardio. You want to slowly taper it up. You want to do 20, 30 minutes a day, light and easy, in addition to resistance training. Then as your body adapts, then you can go up and do more and more cardio. Number 3 is I see a lot of people are doing a lot of these fad trends. What I mean by that is there's some kind of trend or workout or diet that's hyped up by the media. There's so much misinformation out there about what diet you should be on or what exercises you should be doing. It's very, very simple. Get up, move, don't eat as many calories. No need to overcomplicate it. You don't have to worry about eating carbs after a certain time or doing HIIT to boost your growth hormone or trying to fast to boost your growth hormone or any of these fads that claim they're gonna help you drop weight like crazy. You need to just do something simple. Do whatever works for you and whatever is easiest to stick to. Go on some hikes, walk more, swim, play your favorite sport. Get up and move. Focus on foods that have a good amount of lean protein, lots of fruits and vegetables to keep you full, drink a lot of water. It's really very simple. And once you find out what works best for you, it's really easy to stick to. Just start lifting some weights, don't go too crazy. You'll figure it out as you go. There's a lot of good information out there. If you avoid these 3 mistakes, you're gonna have no problem losing weight and keeping it off. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helped clear some things up. If you like this, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and for any coaching inquiries, check out the links in my description or in my bio. If your main goal is fat loss, check out one of these 2 videos right here. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.